In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Kwikset SmartCode Lock if it's not locking. Okay, so this lock here has got the same issue. Okay, so if you hit the lock button, okay, you can see it flashes red. Okay, nothing is happening here. Okay, so if you have this same issue, you want to keep watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you can try to fix this problem. Okay, so what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly, okay, right here, and the next step is to get a screwdriver. Okay, so we need to take off some screws here and here. Okay, okay, now remove the battery cover, slide the cover up and remove it. So what we're going to do to fix this problem is to teach the lock the orientation of the door. Okay, the lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. Okay, so to do this, the first step is to extend the bolt. Okay, so extend it this way. Now you need to take out the battery pack, remove it. Okay, now go to the keypad and press and hold the lock button. Okay, now get the battery pack back in. Okay, that's it. The door handing process is complete. Okay, so let's go back to the keypad. Okay, next you want to add a user code if you don't have one already. Okay, so you want to make sure you have at least one user code added. Okay, so to add the user code, go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Okay, now add your code. Mine here is gonna be 7755. Hit the lock button. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so now let's try to lock it to see if it's going to work. Hit the lock button. Okay, so it's locking. The problem has been fixed. Okay, and to unlock, enter the code. Okay, so that's how to fix this problem. If your Kwikset SmartCode Lock is not locking, what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and perform the door handing detection and then try to add one user code. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.